Good afternoon from a beautiful day here at SeaWorld Orlando. A very busy Saturday at the park. Gonna go and do my update video for the month right now and check out the construction on the new for 2023 coaster, grab some food at the Food and Wine Festival, and see whatever else is going on. Breezy day, but what better place to kick off the tour than with the construction on the new for 2023 roller coaster. Rumored to be a B&M surf roller coaster, which is gonna be kind of a gentle launch roller coaster with one inversion. You can see they removed a lot of trees and a lot of booths from the old festival pathway. You know, really for years has been an underutilized portion of SeaWorld, so it's good to see them finally doing something with the area. Construction on the new roller coaster continues out into the parking lot. There's a big old fence, and you can look through, do the nerd thing, and see, yeah, just a lot of dirt and construction equipment and dirt. Good news, after about 18 months of not being in operation, the Sky Tower is back at SeaWorld. That's the good news. The bad news, it's closed today for wind. As you can see and hear the cables just banging against the tower. Right nearby Sesame Street Land, they have opened a brand new beer garden. That's something they did for some of the festivals, but now they went in and put down really nice fake grass, and they added a permanent beer stand here. Right now, some pretty good stuff. They're mostly serving Florida craft brews at the moment, but you know, some winners, like I'm a big fan of High Line from Cigar City. If you're a fan of hard ciders, definitely come over here to Mama's Pretzel Kitchen. I just got this. It's a guava hard cider by Ace, and it is amazing. So I rarely go in the candy shop in the front of the park, but man, they have some good looking treats in here. Giant Rice Krispies with chocolate and sprinkles, some big old Danishes. And it doesn't stop there. Deluxe cookie sandwiches. And look at the size of these peanut butter cups. Ooh, I don't need the peeps on top though. So normally I'm a pretty big fan of the Food and Wine Festival here at SeaWorld. Unfortunately today, this weekend, they gave 3 free samples to every single pass holder. So the lines for any of these booths are just absolutely crazy. And like, it's good for the people that are getting free. Like, I'm going to use my free sample somewhere. But imagine if you would have bought one of those cards today to use. Like, you would not be a happy camper, because that line has to take quite a bit of time. And this has been all over the park. I do love all the added entertainment you get for during the Food and Wine Festival. The keyboard guy over here at Flamecraft. All right, so despite the lines, we do have to use our free punches. So we stopped here in Ireland. The lines did move faster than I thought they would. And actually a pretty good size sample here with the shepherd's pie. And then this is a corn beef Reuben egg roll. Our presentation's really good for how busy they are. This is one I did not get to try in the last update, and that is the Brazilian market. And should be pretty decent, as you have a small steak with some chimichurri on it, and then the Brazilian cheese bread. Right by the lake, we have not done the Italian booth yet, but everything looks really nice over here. Meatballs. I was disappointed. They said it was fried cheese, and that's not at all what I thought we were getting. It looks great for Molly. And then a very nice looking tiramisu as well. And that'll do it for this update video on a very, very busy Saturday here at the park. I do give them credit though, like I talked about how the food lines were really long. We went on a bunch of them to use all those free food credits we had, and they all moved pretty quick. So credit to SeaWorld there, and reopened the Sky Tower, that's good. Building the new roller coaster, that's good. So a lot of good stuff in this month's update. Thank you for watching.